Paul here from OEM Audio. I know I look younger and slimmer in every single video and you're wondering how that happens. It's a trick. I've got today an unboxing video, because apparently unboxing videos are popular, God knows why, of our rotating smart screen display. So, it comes in this box. Look at this, a cardboard box. Unbelievable. It has packaging and it has a bit of polystyrene, has a pole, and has some other bits. I've opened up the box, I've got everything out. So you get a few things in the box. You get obviously the rotating smart screen. It's got good solid connections at the back. It's commercial grade, it's made out of a nice quality metal. You get the metal pole, good solid connection which goes to the base there. It's even a one-way piece to go in there. Important to remember with the screen, it does come with a power supply, but it does come with its own battery and that can run for about 2 to 3 hours on video, so that's pretty cool as well. So you can have it at displays, conferences, home watching TV, you want to lie in your bed and just have the TV at an angle, that all works as well. Get some screws, power supply, a screwdriver that may or may not become a family heirloom. We'll just end up in the third drawer down, it's full of crap. So we're just showing our 3 sort of tablets we've got at the moment. We've got our Google powered one over here, our 22-inch tablet, that's $9.99, you can see from the display. We've got our 32-inch one here, that is priced at $16.99. It's running full Android operating system. And we've got our range of big screens here. This is an 86-inch one, sort of to scale. I'm just on 6 foot, just under, but I'm claiming 6 foot. And it is it is touchscreen. You can buy it. You can do all sorts of things. It's full touchscreen. It's got a camera built into it, and they're available for $5,999 for the 86-inch one. We've got them in 65, 75, 86, 98, and to special order, you've got to be special to get one of these, 110-inch one. So give us a call if you want one. You can buy them from us at Iveson Terrace here in Christchurch or online at oemaudio.co.nz.